Welcome back to our how-to series on iC-R helmets. Today we're going to be taking you through the Mesh Intercom system integrated into your iC-R helmet. Now, the iC-R helmet supports a full 9-person mesh support intercom. That can be spread over the course of 5 kilometers over those 9 people, about a max distance in between members of about 500 meters. To set up the Mesh Intercom system on your iC-R helmet, you're going to scroll over to the second page of the dashboard of your iC-R helmet. On the bottom right side of that dashboard, you should see an icon that says Mesh Intercom. Upon opening that icon, you should be greeted by 2 options, a private network and a public network. Of the 2 options, public network is the easiest to understand. There are 10 frequencies that anybody can join, so that way you can have anybody with iC-R helmets or otherwise connect to a Mesh Intercom system. Now, the private network system is a little bit different and will require a few more steps. Once you select that option, you'll be prompted to create a private channel. You'll be given a passcode for others to join that private channel. From there, you'll just take that passcode and provide it to your riding buddies. To join a private channel, you'll select the private channel option on your HUD, but instead you'll type in and then hit join with that passkey. Once the helmets are all connected into a mesh system, you should be able to add others on as you see fit. And that's it. Thanks for watching this episode of the iC-R Helmet How-To series, and make sure you check out all of the other videos in the series for all the other tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.